Well, I know it's a little loud, but just made it down here to Florida, settled in. It's like 1 a.m. I gotta be up at 5:30, so it's gonna be a fun morning. Hopefully, we get into some birds and just kind of hoping to have a fun time. Pretty excited. First time hunting Osceola here down in Florida. There we go.
That's how it's done, baby. Dude. Thank you. That's how it's done, baby. Dude. Thank you. Dumped him. I wish I would have been able to zoom in, but I'll be able to.
I didn't know where the zoom was at, and I didn't want to fuck. I knew they were going to hit
Dude,
that.
they're still strutting.
I know, dude.
Well, first day in Florida. First morning, first couple half hour. We got out here pretty early in the morning and got set in the blind, and we heard one gobble far off, and then these guys, there were 4 of them, started gobbling pretty close. Got pretty pumped, and a couple hens were talking off, chatting back and forth to each other. And they came in this drive right here, seen the decoys, kind of hung up there for just a second, but gobbled a little bit, and then the second he stuck his neck out, I was like, yeah, he's gonna take it. So, but yeah, good Florida bird, first one. Got my slam done. This is the last one I needed for my slam, so hopefully I'll be able to get the slam done in a year now. It'll be awesome. There's his beard. Not huge spurs, but decent. Good bird. Woohoo! Thank you! I'm out here in my hog gun.
bunch of corn out right now. I'm in these palm trees in the swamp. I'm waiting for there's 2 sows and a mature boar that come into the spot, and I'm hoping I can get on one of them. If not, I'll take a little guy home for bacon. So we'll see what happens. There were 11 of them here last night, so crossing my fingers and hoping they show up. I'm gonna be here till like 1 or 2 a.m. Here we go. Well, I just got back here to camp. It was a fun day. Gotta shoot tilapia, gotta go and kill my first Osceola. Went hog hunting, no luck. Just saw those raccoons and a couple possum, and got eaten alive by mosquitoes. Anyway, now I'm gonna head to bed, and it's like 3 a.m. right now. I head to bed, wake up at like 9. I think we're gonna go fishing again tomorrow, and bow fishing as well, and then I'll go hog hunting in the afternoon, and then I'll go turkey hunting again in the morning, I think. So gonna give it a try to get my second bird. So alright, so it's day 2. I'm walking into a spot right now to do a little hog hunt. I didn't have any luck last night, but the hogs came in around 5 a.m. So I'm gonna sit here the whole night through in a different spot and hope that a couple hogs come in. I have a lot more range here and shoot a lot further. So I'm hoping this spot turns out for me. And then I'm gonna sit all the way through the night, and then in the morning I'm gonna turkey hunt this spot that's to the south of me, probably, I don't know, 400 yards or so, crazy far. And see if I can whack up a gobbler. Alright, so I'm back in the stand again. It's my 3rd night trying now for hogs, but no luck. Last night, it dumped on me, dumped rain, and for like 2 hours I stood till like 4:30. But I'm back at the original spot I was at the other day, because hogs came in here the other day, but there's a ton of thunderstorms all around me, so this might be my last afternoon I'm able to hunt because of how severe the storms are. So gonna give her one last good effort tonight. Cross my fingers if the hogs come in and I get a shot. Well, a bad thunderstorm came through last night, so I had to dip out. But I'm back here this morning. I'm turkey hunting again, so gonna see if I can't find another turkey to get a shot at. I got quite a bit of wiggle room through here. Gonna give her a go, walk through the swamp and try some of this open area, see if I can't get a bird this morning. The rain kind of died out. It's actually clear. I can see some stars, but it's supposed to hold off. The rain's supposed to hold off till like 9:30, 10 o'clock. So I'll try until around then, and then dip out of here and just go hang out. Alright, so there's a big rainstorm coming in, thunderstorm. So I'm gonna grab the decoy and probably get out of here. I set up over this super open field. Nothing flew down, nothing came into the decoys. There was no talking, no gobbling, nothing. It was quiet. I had something, probably a deer, walk right behind me, but I could, obviously, I can't, like, it's hard to, like, turn and look, so. Anyway, I'm gonna grab the decoy, dip out of here, and chill at camp, probably, just hang out. So, you guys saw the corn that was here last night, and there's not even a single, like, find a kernel.
There is no.
Dude, there's literally not even a kernel of corn left. And not even tracks. That's the craziest thing. Yeah. That's the craziest thing. There's like no tracks. Unreal. Alright, so I'm back here again. I'm on the ground this time in a blind. And looks like it's gonna be pretty brutal tonight. But I'm gonna hunt through this thunderstorm, give it my all, hunt through the night, and hopefully it clears out. And when it clears out, the hogs come in. We're gonna give her a go. We're gonna sit all the way until like probably like 7 or 8 a.m. No matter what, even if it's nastiness like this. I'm gonna grab the hog and drag it back to the blind, and I'll keep hunting. I just got out of the blind. It was a lot drier tonight, being in the blind versus the stand. I got to see the 2 hogs. I heard a bunch more. I heard more afterwards. It's about 3:30 right now. I made the shot at about 1 a.m. So I was just like, well, I need to get that hog out of here so he doesn't spoil. It's 65 degrees, so I mean, it's not the end of the world, and he's not bloating or anything, but still, I don't want the meat to spoil. So I'm gonna get a little meat off of him, grab the Jeep, go through the stupid deep water. I mean, it's like knee-deep water. So good thing that Jeep is lifted and has big tires. Anyway, I'm gonna go do that, grab the hog, grab my stuff, and get out of here. Well, got her done here in Florida. Like a little 60-pounder, maybe. It's about a 30-yard shot with the slug. I only saw the 2 out of the three nights I've been hunting, or 4 nights I've been hunting, so it's been pretty rough, and I've sat, quite a few hours. But tonight, a big thunderstorm came through again, and I just sat it out. I was getting dumped on, and then the second the rain stopped, these guys popped out, so I'm pretty happy. Maybe I'll be able to get a bigger one tomorrow. Tomorrow night, I'll sit again tomorrow night, and maybe the rest of them will come in and I'll get a bigger one. I've killed a lot of hogs, but never any big ones. They've all been about this size or a little smaller. So, it is what it is. but hunted really hard just to get this hog. I'm super tired. I just want to get this thing, its loins cut up and its hinds, and get to bed.